So whatever they were, if they were rolling around on their floor, having a tantrum and crying and whinging, we would do the same thing, and they would literally.
That's pumping up an airbed. That's the pile of airbeds you've already done. Look at that.
I zoomed in really close on your face.
Presented by Lily. And this is the last one. That's Jo. She is pumping up the tent.
Hello.
To our tent.
Hey Vogue, come on in.
Come in.
The slumber party.
Lovely airbeds to sleep on.
There we go.
Come to our secret pods. Voila.
So beautiful.
I can't get it to be right.
The top secret.
Lily and Olivia's room. You don't want to know what happened in there.
We even have electricity.
Let's go set our tent on fire.
So we went to this museum, and then they were like, security check going in, they took it out.
Yeah.
Can't have that. I didn't like
Fun shot.
yeah. Never mind. Back for it, forgot to go back for it.
I love the moment you're going to capture with this camera.
It's like a proud mum.
Like it's Christmas Day. Where's the
I zoomed in on your face. Yeah, where are the presents?
I'm being really mindful and I'm being really communicative with my friends because I have no other things to do right now. A couple of things, because I got a letter from HMRC. I got a letter from HMRC saying that I have overtaxed you like by this much. Here's your money back, and like, I didn't notice because
that you always will. HMRC will always do it every tax year.
yeah, and I'm like stupidly, I don't check. Like when you put the emergency tax code, I'm
I feel
gonna
like
assume
it's a
it's the right one.
countdown.
Like,
Scared.
I'm not gonna question.
I'm like, this is not right.
Something like that, like she's gonna.
You just shouldn't get taxed.
There's much smarter people in charge of these kinds of things.
Different brands.
Right. No face.
As well.
Shut up, you come out and go, these are really sour, these are needed.
Have a room on the Why is it looking? Oh, there's a green, yellow and orange. Green.
It's just more enjoyable. It gets better once it's past the exact time.
Super sour sweet.
And obviously, I was a bit disappointed to like just move away, but
So you start debating life.
you just get very conflated.
Yeah.
So you could have
Is that going well with it's so bad.
I was in the spacey area. No. Just like,
I just think Molly and my mum did that and they were saying
That is a sad bad.
Look at the state Lily's got herself into. She's made herself a wrap and she sat down eating it and it's everywhere.
What does he do on how do you zoom? What does he do on Mr. Bean?
If you use this to like that.
Yeah, he does it on Mr. Bean, don't he? He's like that's
It's a little bit retro, isn't it?
A bit retro.
What are you drinking, Dean?
I'm drinking
your red wine.
That's mine.
the white wine does that.
What are you drinking, Byron? Kenny, what are you drinking?
Feasting.
Oh, would you like to get up? You got it at first though. Oh!
I want to try again. I needed someone to say no.
Review a first night. Wonderful. Wonderful night. ABBA tribute. Everyone was a wonderful level of drunk. Yes.
Everyone was a wonderful level of drunk. We had a wonderful
I'm
time.
so confused for how it goes. Wait, there we go.
My hair is so
no, that way,
wonky.
that way, that way. Turn it that way. No.
No, anyway, that's it. Road. Yeah, there we go. We had a wonderful first night. We're on second night. Everyone's got a drink to go with.
Woo, yeah,
Are you filming?
over there.
We do need to leave.
Oh!
Soonish.
I don't know
And we go to a silent disco.
Silent disco.
And then no, but it's fine. Who have we got tonight?
Symphony Ibiza.
Oh no,
Yeah.
Symphonic Ibiza. Gonna be wonderful.
What's that, 10 o'clock?
Yes.
Yeah. So disco till 9. And then
We got more disco.
it's party
More
time.
disco.
Party time tonight.
More
Disco.
Wait, what?
Disco. But yeah, I loved the ABBA tribute.
ABBA tribute was so good.
But Levelers
so
were
good.
iconic as well.
He didn't get in it, Kira.
Come on, Sunshine Festival! I need more in the monitors!
These birds are flying high. Never let go of the morning. Not stopping at the dawn. Keep moving, not stopping. When you're down, baby, take a look around. I can't go that much, but it's okay. We'll keep on moving on anyway. Feel like I should be screaming, trying to get it through, my friends. Sometimes it feels
It's come down to it.
Yeah. I'm not a betting woman, but I'm betting today.
3, 2, 1, 1. Thank you.
That was a smile.
You want to
I'm glad.
Half and half.
Top it up with the rest of your drink. Yeah, top it up with the rest of your drink.
I'm shaking like a 16 dog here.
Yeah, I think you should top it up.
Charlie, you're not bothered coming out.
We love
You like it?
Charlie.
Cause Charlie is our mate. And when we drink with Charlie, he gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5.
Here you have a man struggling to drink a disgusting drink.
And he said,
Come on.
Does someone want to try
I had to win.
No,
Try
Charlie.
a swig. Just
Why?
I'll have the rest.
Because I wanted to see what it's
But
like.
just try a swig.
I don't know why you want to do that.
I just want someone to feel like. Don't say it's not. You gotta do that whole thing.
Come on. With Charlie, cause Charlie is our mate. And when we drink with Charlie, he gets it down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Right, you get to 4 each time.
Somehow, man, that's why the farmer little cow man. La 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 la, oh la la la. They call me Farmer Bill's cow man. Now on the farm, if you do boots and howl, you got no playing flamenco with the fowl. Every time he kicks those cattle that the hand I on the land. Oh, make way for that Timsbury Trail. We have been drunk since Bridgewater Fair. Get Charlie, Jacko, and Ronnie and Joe. Get everyone you know. Your sister and dad. You ready now? I am a cider drinker. I drink it all of the day. I am a cider drinker. The sweet army runs away. Oh, worry, worry. 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 Ruby, 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 Ruby. Worry, worry, worry. What you doing on 2 acres of land?
Yeah, you look at the clothes, but even though it's full past.
She's got it. wanna melt your heart. I just wanna taste. Now you're in my life. I can't get you off my mind. Wish I was about. I just wanna make you happy, baby.
Ready?
Wait. Filthy fries. Whoa. How would you rate that?
9.5.
9.5. 9.5.
9.8 with the applesauce.
Oh. And what would you add to it?
Crispy fried onions.
Yeah.
So good,
That would
so
make
good.
it a 10.
Maybe a bit of crispy bacon.
So.
Oh, don't.
No.
Oh, no, that's
And here is back, the main icon of the night.
no. I love this song. No. This could have made up. I'll pick up the pieces you left. If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. I ain't your mister, cause I'm broken up with you. Up with your sister, give a middle finger.
We'll be online in love. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Lean on me when I'm not strong. I'll be your friend. When you work it, no diggity.
My mum and dad got married in 2022. They were pregnant with me, so I got more fast. I got more love. How many times have you fallen over today? This is not your neighborhood. Everyone plays mistakes, but just don't. Olivia, do you reckon? Oh my god. Dancer. Like a stand-up guy. Whatever beside you. Don't lay it out tonight. I'll tell them it's just culture. And everyone rolls their eyes and dies. No, wait. I'm asking, baby. Please. Don't prove I'm right. And please. motherfuckers. Please, please, please. Fine. I know it. Ready to say yes, I'm going to bring some fresher for the universe. So happily, when no one else is with me, I'm just kidding, but really, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. And please, please, don't bring me the tears when I'm destined for makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Ready? Georgie. It's not bad. Apparently it was on EastEnders back in the day. Let's go!
Sexy for my love, love's going to me. Alright.
Spray?
You can just sniff something strong.
Sudafed thing.
You could like once it